Banishment. Away from home, I live in my 36th rented room with a trapped bee and a three-legged spider. Spider crawls on the wall and I on the floor. Bee bangs at the window and I on the table. Often we stare at each other, sharing our pool of loneliness. They paint the wall with the droppings and webs. I give them isolated words. Net, maze, tangle, wings, buds, flutter. Away from home, my minutes are hours. Spider travels from the window to the ceiling. Bee flies from the window to the bin. I stare out of the window. Neither speaks each other's tongue. I wish you would go deaf before my silence.